There's lots back there.
There's a registration.
Okay, I pulled it up on the computer. I did cite you for operating a taxi cab without a driver's permit. It's a city ordinance violation. I set your court date for the 7th day of March. That's a Thursday. You can appear anytime between 1 and 4 in the afternoon.
Is this
on the second
a
floor.
civil complaint or a criminal complaint?
It's a criminal complaint. City ordinance violation. It's Class 3 misdemeanor.
So, when I went up to City Hall, and you know, when I discussed this with the lady at City Hall, she said as long as, like, I can't stay in Asheville and try to just sit somewhere and pick up fares, but my customers, you know, they call me and I drop them off and they call me, come pick them back up, and I can do that, but I just cannot stage what she called it.
If you're going to operate a taxi, all those people, the Henderson County taxi guys, all those guys, they got City of Asheville permits. They all got those city things. If you're going to operate just like the business people, they're going to operate business, they're going to do business downtown, they're going to sell, they're going to do whatever they're going to do inside the city limits. They got to have the right stuff.
So when somebody calls me from Weaverville and wants a cab to come to Asheville, I can't bring them to Asheville?
You can. Well, I guess I wouldn't really see that.
Because I'm not operating out of Asheville. I'm operating out of Weaverville. They call my Weaverville number. The dispatcher calls me and sends me. So I'm not operating out of Asheville.
I got you. I guess if you don't pick nobody up here, I guess you're good to go.
You know, that's what I'm saying. I don't understand why I'm being cited. I mean, did you see me pick anybody up?
I haven't seen you pick anybody up.
So you don't have no probable cause to even cite me a ticket?
I guess I do got probable cause.
I mean, but what's the probable cause?
I just read the city ordinance. I pulled it up on the computer and said if you operate a taxi cab inside city limits, you got to have a permit. So I'm going to go with that. Okay? Maybe you make your argument in court. We'll see how it goes.
Well, all right.
But
I wasn't operating in the city limits.
Okay.
But we'll dispute that in court.
I got you.
Okay.
If you get your permit, they'll dismiss it, just like everything else.
Yeah, I understand that.
Yeah, just like
I just didn't understand.
As long as you get squared away, they will dismiss that charge. If you show up with your medallion or whatever they call that thing, a little card with a permit on it, with your Weaverville cab, and that, I'll tell them to throw it out too.
Oh, okay. So
we just want to see you get legal.
I know. I want to get legal because I want to run a legitimate business and I want to cooperate with everything.
Just go get your medallion.
It's just like you say, it's a criminal complaint, but there's no personal injury. So in order to have a crime, you have to have personal injury and the criminal intent to commit it. I had no criminal intent, and I didn't personally injure nobody. Yet you're going to charge me with something that could actually be a misdemeanor.
Personal injury either.
Damaged property is.
I'm saying there's all kinds of crime, but there's no personal injury. I'm not going to argue.
I know, but you're going to cite me.
Yeah. What I'm saying is, just go get your permit, and we'll dismiss the charge.
I got you.
Okay?
I got you.
And also, they're going to come down on the inspections and stuff. When you get your permit, if you don't mind, post it on the dashboard right over there. Just get some sticky.
Oh, okay.
And put it right up, because by law, that's the way it has to be. And we're going to start making everybody do that, start doing inspections and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, that's cool.
And we're also going to get some taxi cab stands in a couple weeks.
Oh, yeah?
We're going to mark off
where we can actually park?
Yeah, we're going to mark off meters in probably 5 or 6 different locations, and only you guys can park there.
Yeah.
That way you guys can stop there and pick up your fares. Make sure you get your medallion, and we'll get this dropped, okay? Either way. All right? Does that sound good?
Yeah, no problem.
We just want to see you legal. If you want to operate a business, we got nothing against that.
All right, cool. All right? Yeah, we're just trying to keep the streets safe, too, you know?
All right. I know, and you guys provide a good service of getting the drunks off, and we realize that, and we're trying to work with you and get everybody squared away. Also, we've had a lot of complaints about stopping the roadway, that kind of thing.
Yeah, I've seen them. I don't do that personally.
Yeah, we're also addressing that issue. That's why we're trying to get these taxi stands up.
Yeah.
It'd be
it'd be a real help.
All right?
All right, thank you, sir.
So go talk to him, get that medallion posted up there, and it'll be good to go, all right?
All right, thank you.
All right, have a good evening.
You too. Cheaters. Karma.